So I'm here at my vanity, and something that I was thinking about today that I've actually been thinking about for a while is that I don't know how to really apply any type of makeup or eyeshadow or any of that. Most days, this is what my face looks like. I don't wear any makeup whatsoever. If I'm going to an event, sometimes I will put on mascara. Sometimes I will wear a, what is this called? Like a foundation. This is just called makeup. It literally, look how gross that is, but it just calls it makeup. I don't know if it's a foundation or what it is. Sometimes I'll wear that. A concealer a little bit, but I don't know how to use it. So what I've decided to do today is try and follow a beginner's makeup tutorial. Now here's the thing. I didn't go out there and buy anything for this video. I'm just using what I have. So if they tell me to use something and I don't have it, that's just going to be how it is. I don't know what we're going to do. So like I said, I'm here at my vanity, which you can call a vanity if you want. It's more like a desk. It's really weird. It's full of lots of different things. For example, I sometimes do my nails here. So I've got my nail polish and my acetone. I do have some makeup stuff, jewelry, but I also have some things like my D&D notebook. My D&D notebook is here. A new set of dice that I haven't opened yet are sitting here. So I just sort of have a lot on this vanity. Some Ranger spellbook cards. That's where we're at. We're at my vanity, and we're going to see what we can do. Beginner's eye makeup tutorial. Parts of the eye, how to apply eyeshadow. It's 4-minute song. That seems like it's going to be good. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so she says a foundation primer. That's what she wants us to use first. So I don't know. Do I just put it on my eye like that? Do I just do that? And then should I use my finger or should I don't know. Okay. She doesn't really show. Oh, she might have shown it with a brush. Should I have both eyes or just one? Let's do both. Let's do both. Let's do both. It's really hard for me to do that. Okay, blot, blot, blot. I'm going to point out the elephant in the room. One of my nail polishes fell off. And by fell off, I mean it started to lift and then I peeled it the rest of the way off. So my manicure doesn't look great, but we'll fix it later. Okay, so we did that. Concealer, step 1. Got it. Yes. Okay, onward. God, we're only 16 seconds in. Okay. She says to set with powder, but I don't really have any powder. A crease. She's talking about the crease. Okay, I'm aware. Got it. She's teaching us about the parts of the eye. Okay, leave a gap. She's talking about leaving a gap. So she's talking about the eyeshadow now, which would be wise for me to actually find where I have that. A long time ago, I ordered this a long time ago, and I never took it out of the packaging. Don't even remember what colors they are. If I'm honest with you, I don't even remember why I bought it. Bronze Mocha eyeshadow palette. Cool, that sounds good. It does say limited edition. It was an Amazon thing, so I don't think it's that special. But it does come with some brushes, which I also have some extra brushes. So let's open up these colors here. She was talking about using one shade lighter than your skin tone and one shade, or some midtones and then darker than your skin tone. So I have a very fair skin tone. I do know that. I am aware. Satisfying. Smells like plastic. Gross. Okay, she's talking about using your favorite nude lipstick as a guide. I don't know if I don't have nude lipstick, which is, let me point that out. Okay, so she's talking about like nude lipsticks. First of all, if this is supposed to be a beginner's eye makeup, okay? As a beginner, I don't have all this stuff. Like, I just think that's ludicrous. Like, why do you think I have? Okay, mid-tone. Got it. So my mid-tones, I'm going to say, okay, I have no idea. I have no idea. So this is what the palette looks like. And I'm going to say that these here are like my fair ones. And then like my mid-tones are like these over here. That's what I'm going to guess. Blending brush. Do I have a brush that looks even relatively close to that? I gotta be honest with you, none of these really look like what she has. This brush looks fun. Look at this one, you guys. Look at this. Doesn't it look fun? Can I use that as a blending brush? I don't think it's a blending brush, but I'm going to use it as a blending brush because it looks fun. So, glasses back on top. Okay, here we go. A fluffy finish. Okay, well, she says anything with a fluffy finish. This does not have a fluffy finish. I do not have anything with a fluffy finish, so we're just gonna use it. YOLO. Apply mid-tone from crease up, stopping under eyebrow. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Wait, was that the same color? God, I don't remember. Okay. I think it's okay. All right. Okay. Is that like, did we do it? Then she talked about going up here. Okay, cool. Okay. Yes, just underneath. Got it. Keep your eyes open, she says. Hers looks darker than mine. Maybe I used too light a color. I'm afraid I used too light a color. Let me... Glasses, get out of here. Okay. And she's talking about, like, stopping here. So that seems smart. Okay, that looks much closer to what she's doing. Hers even seems a little darker, but that's what we're going to call it. Okay. This is really hard when you need glasses. Contour. Got it. Got it. Got it. Same brush. She said at least one shade darker than your skin, which at least means to me that it can be like way darker, which seems super fun. So put it here. Okay, here and then, okay, this is absurd. And then into the crease. Okay. I gotta tell you guys, kind of looks like I have a black eye. But onward. Okay, so she wants it deep in that crease. She's talking about squishing down the fluffy brush. Again, I don't really have a fluffy brush, which is hilarious because now she's saying you don't want a fluffy brush. Get out. Okay. Oh, now she tells me bringing the contour up too high. It's a very big beginner mistake. Why would you say that? Why would you say that now? Oh, man. Oh, well. Onward. Here we go. We're already 2 minutes and 43 seconds into this tutorial, and my eyes look stupid. Okay, so now she doesn't seem even concerned about how high it's going. Okay, well, okay, now she says just... Flat brush. I know I have one of those. I saw one. I saw one. Flat brush. How are you supposed to keep your eye open, but... Oh my god, she's already done. Oh, Lord. Guys, I'm concerned. You know what? I gotta tell you. I wish I would have picked more fun colors. That's really what I think. What do you guys think? I gotta feel like I think it looks horrible. It's a shiny color. I know she said to keep your eye open, but I think that's really just... I think that's a mistake. Okay, you know what? I don't hate it. I want to try and do the rest of my face. So now we're watching somebody else. Okay, so she's talking about primer. I do have primer. I use this Wet n Wild face primer. Use. I have it. We've done the eyes. Eyeshadow. Get out. Primer. Primer. Primed. Okay, now she's talking about foundation. Also have that. Here we go. I hear you're supposed to blot, right? You're not supposed to wipe. You're supposed to blot. Oh, God. Look at that. I look like my kids did when we did the Addams Family. Huh. And they were supposed to be dead. Oh, my. Perhaps what I have is just far too light for me. See, this is why I need your help. This is why I need the people's help. This is why I need it. Okay, now she's talking about more concealer. Okay. Okay, she's doing it all over her. She's doing it all over her eyes, but because I already did my eyes, which might have been a mistake. I don't know. This is not going well.
No?
What are you doing?
You still recording?
Yeah.
I was just going to show you something cool I did.
Oh. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so she's filling in her eyebrows. I got bougie eyebrows, and I don't have an eyebrow pen, okay? Oh, she's talking about Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I have that. Oh, she's got a cute little accent. Warm up the skin. Highlight, I don't... Okay, the only highlight I have is this, like, weird little thing, and I don't know where this came from. And then this little box, see this little box? It says highlight. She's using a big brush. Popping it. She says she's popping it. Okay, highlight. Here we go. Popping it onto her cheeks. You know what? I bought this a long time ago. I wonder if there's something in here. I forgot about these. Oh, look at that. There's that fluffy brush she was talking about. Oh, man. Okay, that seems much better. This is beautiful. It's like a white shiny pearl. I love that. Okay, she's doing her eyeballs. We already did our eyeballs. I don't need that. Okay, now she's putting dark under her eyes. Look, I'm taking on her accent. I do that. Oh, she's on the mascara. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now she's talking about lip liner. I don't think I have a lip liner. Ooh, what are these? Maybe I do. What is this? Lip liner. This looks like it'll work. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm shaking the whole thing. You can see how often I've used this. Never. So she just kind of like underneath. That is absurd. Well, you're in it now. Oh, I'm so shaky. I gotta do it up here. Oh, then I can't see. Oh, good Lord. Oh, good Lord. How do I look?
Straight out of the 90s, baby.
Putting on her lipstick now. Oh, she got a beautiful ring. Oh, her manicure's nice. It's green. Okay. Here we go. I gotta know my teeth. Okay, I think the color that I used for the pencil is a little dark. This is it. This is the final tutorial look. It's not bad. I don't think I look horrible. I look much more overdone than I normally do. I do want to learn how to do eyeshadow better because I actually really do like having color in my eyes. But I want to learn how to do it better. I think the tutorial that I watched was great. I think that she was really helpful. I just should have used different colors. And I gotta say, it looks way better in my mirror than it looks in the camera. I think because the camera's picking up, like, all my little blemishes and scars and stuff, but this is it. If there's other ones you guys want me to watch, if there's good people that you know, that good YouTubers on how to do makeup, link them in the doobly-doo because I'd like to see them. So I'll keep this on, I think, for the rest of the day. Looks okay, I guess. Okay, bye.